Alright, so what I built here is an SR latch, or a set and reset latch. It's got two N2222 transistors that I guess you could say are set in an astable multi-vibrator pattern or configuration. I'm sorry. So when you put power to them, they basically just oscillate, right? So then what I did here is I built an SR latch, or a set and reset latch, right? So basically when I press the reset button, I can control whether or not the blue lights oscillate, right? Which is really what this 555 chip, this IC chip here, is set up to do, exactly what these two transistors really are set up to do. But I connected this to a cd4017 IC, which is a decade counter, right? Basically counts to 10 and resets, right? So, but that's what's controlling the 10 different colored LEDs, right? So if I turn that on, then I have the 10 different LEDs being controlled. So now the goal is to get these buttons up here that control this little circuit, that when I reset it or stop it, I also want it to stop this circuit, right? So, or I want to try to figure out some mechanism, maybe a third sensor of some sort or something like that, that will cause kind of a chain reaction of triggers. So that's my next little trip down learning electronics lane, I guess. But that's it. That's what I got for now.